Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to say hello and sorry I haven't been posting videos. I had surgery on my right wrist. Actually had 3 bones removed from my wrist, and it's just been a long healing process. Couldn't really work on the cars, and you know, really couldn't shoot videos. I did shoot one video before this one, but it was a Mercedes video. I haven't posted it yet. I will soon. But in any case, today's gonna be a very short video. I just want to kind of show you guys something I 3D printed for the Acty. It's these little mini hubcaps. They have the Acty logo, and they have the little rising sun motif, and you know, you can kind of see what they look like here. It's designed to work with the wheels I have. So you know, in the past when I've showed 3D printed parts like the cup holder, I've put it up on Thingiverse so everybody in the community could download it for free. These, I don't know if I'm going to put up there just because it's specific to the wheels I have, which are Honda Civic Del Sol steel wheels, and they will not fit on the factory wheels, I don't believe. So, so basically, that's what it looks like. You could see the 4x100 bolt pattern that I chamfered the holes, and that's because I'm also using these. These are not OEM. These are a lightweight aluminum lug nuts that have a tapered cone nose on it, so that this will fit perfectly into there. So without any further ado, let's get the truck in the air and get these mounted on there and see how they look. So guys, before we get the truck up in the air, I just want to explain something. I don't know if I ever talked about this before actually, but if you have at least the Acty with a lift kit in the front, you always have to undo this bolt that holds this brake line in place. It's a bolt. You need a 12mm socket to get it off, but basically it just secures the brake line to the strut. If you don't remove this and you have a lifted truck, when there's so much play on the suspension that when you lift it up and the swing arms swing down, there's a lot of pressure put on this hose right here on the second longest half of the hose. And what you do is you got to undo this bolt so that you could use some of the slack that's going to the caliper, or else you could literally rip your brake line apart. So I already removed it on this side, but you always make sure you always do that before you lift the truck up if you have a lifted truck. Alright, so here you have it. Those are the new hubcaps. I might paint these in the future, but I might change the wheel color on my truck anyway, so I'm gonna wait till I do that and kind of either find that contrasting color or a matching color. So there you have it. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. I know it was a short one. Please let me know what you think in the comments about the hubcaps, how they look. I tried to go with inspiration from like an old school Krager wheel, like a muscle car wheel, and a combination of something you would see maybe like in an 80s Pathfinder, where you actually switch the all-wheel drive on the actual hub. In any case, I do have some other videos planned for the mini truck. The first one's going to be getting the center console flocked, and I also designed a new center bin, and it's going to be 3D printed, where it's going to be a cup holder, and it's going to have a pocket for you to put your phone or your wallet and whatnot, and it's going to be better integrated into that center console versus the original cup holder I did, which was just a straight up cup holder. But I want to flock everything in black instead of the gray, and I'm gonna have that carry over into where the parking brake is and stuff, so I think it'll look pretty neat. I'm just debating whether to do it all out of black or if I should play around with black and gray, because that's the theme, the color theme in the interior of my truck. But in any case, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you soon.
Ryan Little.